Hello! In this video, I will show you how to make a fun paper craft. You will need a 15 by 15 centimeter sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. Fold the sheet horizontally and press it well. Then fold it vertically. Now unfold it. Lift the bottom right corner up. Turn the sheet over and again lift the bottom right corner up. Smooth it out. This is how it should look. Next, open the model, fold it, and place the open side toward you. Smooth it. Take one corner and bring it to the center, pressing carefully. Do the same on the left side. Flip it over and repeat on the other side. Press everything well. Fold the top corner down and flatten it. Open it once, then again. Take one layer of paper from the bottom, pull it up, and fold it toward the center, as shown in the video. Flatten it. Turn the model over and repeat. Open again and lift the bottom layer. Smooth everything carefully. This is how it should look. Fold the right corner to the center. Then the left corner. Turn the paper over and again fold the right and left corners to the center. You need to fold the piece as shown in the video. Fold the bottom part up. Make a cut at the bottom. This is the shape you should have. Fold it to one side, then fold the bottom up, back down, and up again. It should look exactly like this. On the other side, remove the excess. Lift it up, then down, and up again. Make sure both sides are even. Lower the legs down. These will be the legs. Fold the wings down on the left and right sides. Take something round, like a pin, and gently curl the edges on both sides. Now, make the head. Fold the bottom part down and press it. All done. Your paper craft is ready. I wish you creative success and see you soon on our channel.